Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode. Today we are back playing Terragenesis. Yeah, it's been a little bit since I joined on. Okay, so we got ourselves two culture points. We have one that's independence. If we go into satellites, right? Sam, Phobos, and Deimos. I think this this user, right, they recommended that we fill, instead of all the habitants and stuff, we instead fill them with, spaceports to make a bunch of cash. So this is gonna be a bit costly, but, I'm gonna disable the demolition, which is gonna cost a lot. It's gonna cost me a lot, but it does make a lot of money. As you guys can see, it'll make me a lot of money because stacks. I don't need this hab complex. I can replace this with spaceport. Done. But anyway, as you guys can see, Phobos has 142,500 habitations, which is just a lot. Also, as you guys can see, it has no other effects besides habitations due to the fact that, you can't terraform. You can't terraform the moons. But yeah. So this is cool, right? I'll just check something real quick. Yeah, we still got quite a while to go until we reach the needed sea level. But to my knowledge, yes, we have these. I'm gonna upgrade this. I'm also gonna get the tidal enclave upgraded. Let's also upgrade the cloud seeder. But yeah, as of my knowledge, as I can see, yeah. I am sorry about that, guys. I accidentally just closed Terragenesis for a second. Yep. Anyway, according to my knowledge, I now should be able to go into the biosphere, and yes. Oh boy. We have one slot, I guess, for each, and we can add life to Mars. So, as of what I know, I'm going to start with the microorganisms and then work my way up. We do that now. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to add microorganisms now as a base, and then we're going to work on the way to plants and herbivores and carnivores. So let's do microorganisms. Every organism of Terragenesis is made up of 5 genes: a kingdom, of phylum, and 3 attributes. Kingdoms are selected when you choose a section of the biosphere you brought here, like terrestrial plants or aquatic herbivores. Oh, next pick of phylum, or the organism that you want to make. Afterwards, you can customize 3 attributes and make it a unique, viable species. On the right of the organism table, which gives you a detailed look at the species you're working on. In particular, check the health section. It will total up the others and show what you might be keeping your species from thriving. It's a lot to take in, but in the right hands, it can be a very powerful tool. Tap any row for an explanation of that section to help you learn more about how the biosphere systems work. Okay. Oh my god. Why did I choose? Okay, guys, I am dumb. Why did I choose this instead of biomass when I have no clue what am I doing? We got actinobacteria, plus 50% support. Lichens, 10% tolerances with fungus. 50% support offered less low water tolerance. Protozoa, more birth rate. Alright, you know what? I think I'm gonna more birth rate, more support offered. Tolerance. I think the actinobacteria might be good here. Support offered. I don't know. Yeah, let's do it. Actinobacteria, I guess. Yeah, if we go down here, yeah, actinobacteria now. Alright, so you have to pick 3 attributes. Heat adapted, cold adapted, high pressure, low pressure, high oxygen, low oxygen, humidity, aridity. Oh yeah. Large, what does large do? More support offered, more support required. Less support required, more support, less support offered. High metabolism, more support required, more birth rate. And then, okay, what's exothermic? 1 millikelvin. Ooh, that creates more temperature. I don't want that. Domesticated, +2 population, -2. I don't want to lose credits. Beautiful, plus money, minus birth rate. High oxygen jars, minus population. Invasive, okay. Nocturnal. Okay, we got, what else do we got? We got delicates, extremophile, less support offered, more tolerance. Infectious, less population, more birth rate. Nitrogen fixing, more support offered, less low pressure tolerance. If we look at our pressure is fine, so I guess we could add this. It's airborne. More birth rate, less low pressure. Let's do it, I guess. Alright, we added nitrogen fixing and airborne. And, more support off. Let's do large. Alright, so terrestrial microorganism, actinobacteria, nitrogen fixing, airborne, and large. That's going to be our very first organism on Mars. So confirm organism name. Oh. Give me a quick second to think of a name. Alright, everybody. I have thought of a name that's very basic. Martianus primus. Because is in Latin, because I don't know Martianus, I just came up with it because Mars is Latin already. And primus means first. The reason I chose Latin is because scientific names usually are Latin. I don't know what to name it. So Martianus primus, the first. Okay, it's increasing in danger to one. Okay. So I'm guessing this must be like its current status and what it's going to be. That's pretty cool. Alright, so it's also creating aquatic. Oh, this is different. Wait. Archaea, tolerance, 1 oxygen, support offered, birth rate. I like plankton, let's do it. Birth rate, we have plankton, alright. So I want nitrogen fixing, because that's good. Let's see what else we got. If I add on large, say, let's do it large, and so how's the temperature? Temperature's fine, right? So like if I make it nocturnal, let's do it. Alright, we're creating. Alright guys, I've thought of a name as well for organism. So let's look up Martianus secundus, because this is our second organism created. Alright. Cool, we've now created 2 microorganisms, creating the very first life on Mars. This is really cool. Alright. So you got a terrestrial slash avian or aerial creature. Because, yeah, we got airborne, so these guys can so partially in the air as well. Terrorist attack. What the? Terrorist attack? A terrorist cell calling itself the Sword of Mars has attempted a bomb inside your hab complex in Deimos, but the bomb misfired and no harm was done. Under interrogation, they claim to be protesting your scientific values, but experts suggest that maybe off-world agents trying to stop independence movement. Oh my god! Jeez! Oh god. Do I have to deal with that? Okay, anyway, at least we've added. Right now they're in danger, but they're definitely, as we can see, they're moving upwards. Because I'm guessing threatened is better than endangered. So, yeah, okay. That's pretty cool. Alright, so we added our first 2 organisms to Mars. We now have life on Mars. Can you believe it? We now got life. Because habitability is... Oh, now it's gone from barren to plant life. I just noticed that. It's gone from barren to plant life. Because now plants and microorganisms can survive. Alright, this is pretty cool now. First 2 organisms. Martius secundus and Martius primus. Our first 2 organisms on Mars. That is really cool. Okay, I love this. The biosphere, most likely if we would have chosen biomass in the beginning, it would be a lot easier, I'm guessing. Because like I said, that's recommended for beginners. But at least now, this biospheres thing, this is really cool. I love this. How we can just create species, like mix around with their DNA and add on different things, change their names. That is really cool. This game is amazing. This is really cool. Like, I want to check out the map. Now, if I get rid of this, yes, you get. Oh wow, it gives all city lights. It's really cool. Yeah, but as you can see, this is the only place where, like, oh wait, no, we got over here, we got over here. There's a few little blue spots where you can see water from the surface. Actually, we'll see. Wait, we can change the sun? Okay, I don't know what that's doing. We now can rotate Mars like this. Wow. Look at that. Wow. This is so cool. You see, this is the mountain with our city. Oh my god, this is so cool. Okay, I can see. That must be like... It's a huge source of water there. I don't know what the moving sun does. It doesn't seem to do anything. This light then changes. Wait, if I move around Mars, you can see city lights. Oh my god. That is so... Oh wow. Oh wow, that's so cool. And we can just drag it like that. Okay, we got another spot of water there. We got our main city there. Got this huge lake. That's really cool. Oh my god. This is so cool. I love this. Our seas are still upgrading. 1 Genesis point. And how much for tidal here also. I want to keep upgrading these, adding more species available. We'll see. Okay, now we also wait, and also now if I go back to biospheres, right? Oh, what? We can add more species. So I'm thinking I'm going to add another 2 microorganisms for now. Just keep, like, this way we can build a base foundation, and then probably in like the next episode we're gonna add on plants, and eventually we're gonna add on herbivores and carnivores. So let's do that. Let's add on some more. Alright, so we've already added on plankton. More support offered from diatoms, oxygen. I'm gonna do diatoms. Let's do it, a diatom. We're gonna make it, diatom microorganism. First things first, I'm gonna add nitrogen fixing. Extremophile. We don't want less support. Oh, this guy can be really supportive. Those large do more support offered. And high metabolism. Okay, I like this. Let's do it. Alright, everybody. I thought of a name. Martianus Tertius. Done. Tertius means third. Our third microorganism. Let's also add another one. Alright, let's see. We've already added on actinobacteria or birth rate. Ooh. Let's do it. Let's add on fungus. Let's add on a species of fungus to the Mars. Let's add on large, I guess. Nitrogen fixing. Let's do airborne as well. Yeah, done. It's pretty cool. It's adding on fungus. It can't survive in our world. It can reset organism. Ooh, we are on really low water tolerance. Less low. Okay, we cannot add a fungus, I guess, because of our extremely low amount of water. That's bad. Lichen. More tolerance. Let's add. Oh, we already added bacteria. More. Let's do promos though. Let's do nitrogen fixing airborne. High metabolism. Or I mean, what does protozoa do? More birth rate. Okay, nitrogen fixing, more support offered, more birth rate. Let's do more support offered. Done. Alright. Alright, I've thought of a name. Martianus Cordis. Yes. Our fourth microorganism. Done. So we got 4 life forms on Mars, 2 aquatic and 2 terrestrial. Alright, this is alright. So now we've got ourselves. Alright, so these guys are alright, everybody's still endangered, but they are moving upwards. They are getting more population, I guess, just working their way up. I guess we only had like 1% species at first, and then just let them grow and adapt, right? Just create a species and until we have like 1% species, right? 1% health, and just plop them into their natural environment, an environment where they're good, and just let them grow, I guess. That's alright, that's really cool. Alright, let's see, what's conservation? When a species becomes endangered or threatened because overpopulated, sometimes human intervention is necessary. Through spending credits, you can influence a species' health either positively or negatively. Whatever is necessary to maintain the health of your ecosystem. These changes will not be immediate, but will alter the projected health of your species and continue until you cease your efforts. Well, that's pretty cool. Conservation modifiers. Modifiers are factors that influence a species' health. As a result, things that happen in its environment. For example, health boost or health penalty. Become a popular pet or minus health penalty of poaching. Oh yes, I'll take a modifier. Okay, so yeah, okay, I'll take 5% democracy. I'll take that. Support received. An organism depends on other organisms to exist. Sometimes it's food for such as wolves eating sheep, or shelter such as monkeys living in trees, or just create the proper conditions for life, such as plants relying on soil bacteria. In Terragenesis, these relationships are represented in 3 types of support: microbe, blue, plant, green, and animal, red. This section shows the support requirement for each species derives from a score of what proportion is available. Only microorganisms require no support at all. They will form the base of your ecosystem. Alright. I think we're starting to get the hang of this. Alright. Wait, I also can go into here, right? Support offered. Total. Okay, we can now see total support offered and current health. So total support offered. Oh, wow. Okay, so in our aquatic world, we have micro support, and on terrestrial have 2.1 micro support. Alright. And so when we had plants, it still had plant support, and we had herbivores, it still had animal support. And I guess carnivores don't give off support because they eat the herbivores. Alright. I think I'm starting to get the hang of this new biospheres thing. But, yeah. I don't know really what else to do. Temperature stabilized, pressure stabilized, oxygen stabilized. Water is growing. Water is growing by 10 per minute. We're getting 225 people per minute. And we're getting 18,175 credits per minute. Alright. So good. Our outposts seem fine, because we're making fine amounts of money. Alright. Research, I don't think we really need anything else right now. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it off there. We tried out the new biospheres. We've added 4 new species to our to Mars. And oh, okay, so these guys are going from endangered to healthy. Threatened to threatened. Okay, but it is increasing percentage. Endangered, threatened, endangered. Alright. So we are seeing progress in terms of our